Who received the 18th Late Madhav Rao Lime Award? The correct answer is C, that is Nitin Gadkari. So, Union Minister of Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari will be facilitated for the first time with the 18th Late Madhav Rao Lime Award. In the category of Karyakaram Khasdar, that is Efficient Member of Parliament for the year of 2020 and 21. Which of the following became the first Indian state to launch AVGC Center of Excellence? The correct answer is A, that is Karnataka. So, the government of Karnataka has launched India's first AVGC Center for Excellence. AVGC, the full form of AVGC is Animation, Visual Effects, Gaming and Comics. This center is located in Mahadevpura, Bangalore, Karnataka. India's first ever season style book was written by which of the following? The correct answer is C, that is Akash Kansal. So, India's first ever season style book, the class of 2006, sneak peek into the misadventures of the great Indian engineering life, written by management professional Akash Kansal and was launched virtually, one of the biggest book launch ceremony of the year at IIT. Which of the following issued framework for offline digital payments? The correct answer is B, that is RBI. So, Reserve Bank of India has issued a framework for facilitating small value digital payments in offline mode using card, wallets, mobile devices, etc. to push digital transaction in rural and semi-urban areas. Which of the following became the first country in the world to approve plant-derived COVID-19 vaccines? The correct answer is A, that is Canada. So, Canada became the first country in the world that has authorized the use of a plant-based COVID-19 vaccine. The 2-dose vaccine of Medicago Inc. can be given to adults who are aged between 18 to 64 age, but little data is available on the shots received by people aged 65 and above. Surajit Sen Gupta passed away recently. He played which of the following sports? The correct answer is B, that is football. So, the former India footballer Surajit Sen Gupta, who played as a midfielder, has passed due to COVID-19 complications. Which of the following became the first Indian plastic waste neutral FMCG company? The correct answer is C, that is Dabur. So, Dabur became the first Indian plastic waste neutral FMCG company in India. The company has collected, processed and recycled around 27,000 metric ton of post-consumer plastic waste during financial year 21-22. The third edition of India Protein Day was celebrated on 27th February 2022. What was the theme? The correct answer is D, that is food futurism. Theme of the Protein Day has been kept as food futurism, and the theme has been chosen to help exercise the right to protein accessibility, which is one of the 6 core values of the Right to Protein initiative. India's first ambulance for street animals was launched in which of the following states? The correct answer is B, that is Tamil Nadu. So, the project was initially launched in Tamil Nadu in 2016 and later expanded to Telangana and Gujarat also. Which of the following cities is on the 5th place in TomTom Traffic Index ranking 2021? The correct answer is C, that is Mumbai. So, Mumbai and Bangalore have emerged as the 5th and 10th most congested city in the world in 2021. Despite pandemic related restrictions keeping cars off the road for the most part, Delhi and Pune ranked 11th and 21st among 404 cities across 58 countries according to TomTom Traffic Index Global Top 25 list. So Mumbai is on 5th place and Bangalore is on 10th place. Pune is under 21st rank and Delhi is on 11th. This is among 404 cities across 58 countries. Who was appointed as the chairman of NAAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council? The correct answer is D, that is Bhushan Patwardhan. So the University Grants Commission, that is UGC, has appointed educationist and research scientist Professor Bhushan Patwardhan as a chairman of the executive committee of the NAAC. The Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2021 was held in which of the following places? The correct answer is B, that is Tashkent, Uzbekistan. So the 2021 Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship were held at the Uzbekistan Sport Complex and Gymnastic Sport Complex in Tashkent. Zircon missile was successfully test fired by which of the following countries in November 2021? The correct answer is C, that is Russia. So Russian Navy successfully test fired the Zircon hypersonic cruise missile from frigate Admiral warship, which rightly hit the test target placed in the Russian Arctic waters. Who released the book titled Gandhi Topi Governor? The correct answer is C, that is M. Venkaiah Naidu. So M. Venkaiah Naidu has released the Telugu book titled Gandhi Topi Governor by Padma Award Dr. Lakshmi Prasad, Chairman and Official Language Commission, Andhra Pradesh. LIC got approval from RBI to hike stake in IndusLand Bank up to dash. The correct answer is B, that is 9.99%. So IndusLand Bank informed that the bank has received an intimation from the Reserve Bank of India that it has granted its approval to Life Insurance Corporation, shareholder of the bank, to raise a stake in the private lender up to 9.99%. Which of the following cities will become the first 100% paperless in the world? The correct answer is D, that is Dubai. Dubai has become the world's first government to turn 100% paperless. The Emirates Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid has announced the pointing at saving of 1.3 billion dirham, we can say USD 350 million, and 14 million man hours. Who was honored with SJFI Medal 2021? The correct answer is C, that is Sunil Gavaskar. The full form of SJFI is Sports Journalist Federation of India. So SJFI has decided to honor former Indian cricketer and cricket commentator Sunil Manohar Gavaskar with its prestigious SJFI Medal 2021. India signed an agreement with which of the following to prevent the plastic waste entering into the oceans? The correct answer is C, that is Germany. So India, Germany enter into agreement to prevent plastic waste entering oceans. And the government of India and Germany has signed an agreement for technical cooperation in enhancing practices to prevent plastic from entering the marine environment at a virtual ceremony in New Delhi. World's longest metro line opened in which of the following countries? The correct answer is B, that is China. So the country with the most metro system is China with 43 in operation. And the Shanghai Metro is the world's longest metro network at 803 kilometers. And also the highest annual ridership at 2.83 billion trips. Amongst major states, which of the following states' growth of GST collection is highest during December 2021 as compared to the same month in the previous year? The correct answer is C, that is Odisha. Which of the following information is true about PMMY, that is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? The correct answer is B, that is it is a loan scheme launched by Narendra Modi. And the third one is, in this scheme, local can be given by Mudra, which is the subsidiary of SIDBI. The government of UK unveiled a 5 coin of euro to commemorate the life and legacy of Mahatma Gandhi. This coin was designed by which of the following people? The correct answer is A, that is Hina Glover. So the coin is available in a range of standards including gold and silver. Enmaset 6 F1 satellite was launched from Tanegashima Space Center by which of the following countries? The correct answer is C, Japan. So it is launched from Tanegashima Space Center by Japan. Which of the following sectors are prohibited in India for FDI, that is foreign direct investment? The correct answer is A, that is gambling, betting and chit fund. So these three are prohibited in India for FDI, that is foreign direct investments. As per CEBR, that is Center for Economics and Business Research, Indian economy will become the world's third largest by which of the following years? The correct answer is D, that is 2031. So the Center for Economics and Business Research from UK has predicted that Indian economy will become the world's third largest by the year 2031, and India is set to regain its 6th position in World Economic League table and France as per CEBR. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.